Manood muna tayo na nagtatraktora din eh. Traktor ang tawag din eh. Basta naglilinis ng grass. Nagtitrim. Kumusta ka be? Anong kwento?
There was a fight in school.
Anong fight?
In recess.
Oh.
It was not any kind of fight. It was a toy fight na parang Aikido.
Okay.
And Kendrick and Jackson was together. And then they keep telling us to stop. Stay away. Stay away.
Bakit? Nagdi-distract sila?
Kasi hindi niya friends kami ni Aaron.
Ay, kumusta si Aaron?
Good naman.
Ayos naman, nakita kaya
I
na.
want to go to McDo.
Ay, naku. Sige na.
Ha.
Tawid muna tayo.
So cold outside today.
Practice po ng winter. Mainit kaya. Dalawa ko lang kayo na rin.
Jadi, dapat dalawa ang binibili ni Mami para ako yung nakadalawa.
Happy Meal din ang in-order ko, wrap. Oh, nakadalwa siyang laruan. Mura lang nagastos namin.
The next day.
Hello. What did you do today? Terry Fox?
Hello guys, ngayon ay Friday. Nag-Terry Fox run kami. Daw say ito. Hihi. Sticker.
Saan ka? Buti nakatakbo ka. Paano takbo mo? Paano takbo mo? Eh. Ano ibig sabihin ng school opening celebration? Anong ginawa nyo?
Opening liturgy, you mean? The gym has become a church. Father Gino has come to
Nagmas?
Oo. Kakain ako.
Dadali na. Hello guys, dito tayo sa Kingsway. Lenny! Say hi! Saan tayo punta? Kumain na kami. Nag-celebrate kami dahil naka 100, ano tayo? 130 subscribers na kami. Celebrate kami, kumain ng Jollibee.
Every subscribers we gain, like 1 subscriber, we celebrate always.
Naku naman, napaka-utak mo.
Kasi ang mga YouTubers, sa YouTube, if they gain 1 subscriber, they just celebrate.
Bakit? YouTuber ka be? Ano, tinanong kayo sa
Celebrate
school?
naman namin.
Ikwento ko sa kanila na tinanong kayo sa school. Dali, tinanong ka sa school na kung what do you want to be when you grow up?
I
Ano
said, I want to be a YouTuber.
Wow! O siya,
Sabi din ni
subscribe
Jax.
naman. Subscribe kayo dyan.
Hello guys, today's Monday. Ako pinaka-ora.
Aga nga naman namin, mga bata ay wala pa.
Ka?
Hi, how are you?
Good.
What did you do? Hoy, kumusta ang iyong laro? Maglaro kaya? Ay, ito hindi natin yun.
Oo.
Maglaro kaya?
Ha.
Anong ginawa niya?
Ano kami ni Tio?
Ano?
At it and then we throw it in the trash.
First day of fall
Ah,
kahapon.
and then-
Alam mo?
And then ano,
First
and
day of
then,
fall
and then,
kahapon.
and then,
Teka lang, September
And then-
22. First day of fall.
and then,
Ganda oh.
and then ano, ma'am.
Hello guys, ngayon lang ulit nakapag-vlog. Kami ay nagtatrangkaso. Tapos busy din sa school. Uy, punta kami ngayon sa Telos World of Science. At,
Lahat naman ay billiard.
ano?
Lahat naman ay billiard.
Ang lahat ay?
Billiard. Hindi
Billiard?
Hindi nagbibili ng mga, ano, ng mga,
Anong billiards?
parang,
Telos World of Science. Ano sabi, ano?
engineering.
Engineering, ano daw ngayon ang Amazon?
Ano to?
Oh, Amazon ang may pakana. Oo. Tapos,
You know the original
libre lang,
price
diba?
per
Per
person
ticket?
is ano, per person is $200.
Oh, grabe, ang mahal. Oh, ngayon, libre lang. Ngayong araw
Parang
lang yun.
Nintendo Switch lang yun eh.
Oh, grabe
Yung
na.
Nintendo Lite.
$200. Pupunta kami ngayon. Kakain muna kami. And then, pupunta kami doon sa Telos World of Science. Tingnan natin. Libre naman kasi. Half day si Tenten ngayon, Webes. Sige, kita na lang doon.
Kaya kami nakasakay na kami ng bus
Ang Telos World.
of Science. Kakain ko na.
Kakain na. Hindi na tayo kakain. Guys, kami ay kumain na sa Westmount. Tapos naglakad kami papuntang Telos World of Science. Tara na. Sabi sa maps, 2 minutes walk daw. Ayun, nandini pa kami. Lenny, kalsada yan. Dito ka na. Hoy. Nak. Gaganda ng halaman.
Hello. Hello. Ganda oh.
Tara, malapit na tayo sa Telos World of Science. Sabi ng director ko, ganito daw pag video. Direct. Paano?
Ayan.
Dito na kami eh. Hindi ko alam kung saan.
Hello guys. Bago na po ako vlog. I like the infinite. Guys, nandito tayo sa Telos World.
Doon no. Dito na kami guys. Telos World of Science, Edmonton.
Stamps like this. Okay.
It's posted. Thank you.
Thank you. Ito pala yan guys, yung robot na yon. Yan sa Amazon. Diyan sumasakay yung mga crates.
Maganda na to.
one, for words, we're using the computer's brain, also called AI, artificial intelligence, to actually create some lyrics for us. Okay, so for example, you can put down Oilers and see what it comes up with. It's the computer's brain making some random things up. Okay, or you can use some computer programming to actually make a really, really cool beat, kind of like Sonic's music. Okay, so it's all up to you, whichever one. Music will take longer. Words will be a quicker one. Okay, I'll let you
Where do we
choose.
go?
All right, or you can
Words?
do both.
Okay,
Words? All right.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Enter.
I want you to write some things down. Tell the computer what you like or what you want, okay? And then press that giant green button and see what it comes up with, okay?
So
Awesome.
it's only
Let's give
going
it a
to
try.
the words. It's
I'll
not
try.
going to create the tune.
Go, try. Thank you.
So you're not actually going to hear it. You're going to read it.
What are you gonna do?
So let's do an example.
Oilers?
okay?
About song
What I'm
about
gonna do-
Oilers?
I'm gonna just go
Okay,
ahead.
type it.
I like the Oilers. That's a great topic. So I'm just going to copy and paste this. Do you know copy and paste? So I copy, I click in here, and I paste, and it's already.
Guys, naka-second stamp na,
Third.
third stamp na ako. Pag naubos ko lahat, there's a raffle.
Raffle.
What do we win?
I don't know. Raffle. Let's go.
Metal. Since we're metal is alien voice eh. Hello. 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 Zion! Zion!
Where's Zion?
Zion!
Guys, tingnan nyo are. Tuwid yung bakal pero nakakalusot sa curve. Diba? Ang galing. Oops.
Wala naman.
May papanoorin kaming show. Kuya, dali.
Maparoon din kami ng show.
Ewan ko kung
And
ano are.
then, can we test out the
Oo, babalik tayo doon. One, two, three, song. Isa pa. Yan.
Is that my veins? Am I lit?
Oo, maliit ka dyan sa side na yan. And then, malaki ka. Oo,
Wait, parang go sa bida.
okay lang. Yeah, parang giant. May mga.
Maybe it has to be like this. I don't know.
Rose. Nag-work ba, engineer? O, try mo daw changing the angle of the blades, the shape, the number of blades kapag hindi siya nag-work.
The number.
O, kunin mo ulit. Try mo.
Baka ganun. Baka one of them is like this and one of them is like this.
O, parang natatanggal yung isang clip. Parang natatanggal yung isang clip.
Ilan na to?
O. Try again. Engineer, may mali sa design mo. Hindi naman equal ang itsura ng iyong blades. Ayan naman ang akin. Testing. Lenny, mandar yun sa akin. Lenny, tama. Dapat sideways. Tsaka anak, dapat even ang blades niya even. No, attach the cord clip. Go, kuya. Gantanda pa eh. O, engineer, go. It worked. Happy ka na, engineer? Happy ka na?
Needs to be alone.
Ay, game. Sige.
Ready? 3, 2.
Mabitaw. Sige.
You want to see a cool trick? You want to
Ay, ganito pa ng bones natin. Kapag healthy ang bones, ganyan. Pero, pag may osteoporosis, anong kumpara mo nga, Ben? Kumpara mo nga. Okay.
There's like
Teka lang.
little...
Healthy bones.
Hindi ko gets. I just don't get. Ay! It's the healthy. It's the unhealthy. Okay.
Ikaw muna.
I already tried.
Ano to? Seal. Ano yung ginagawang mga sapatos, ganyan?
Wala.
Teka lang, pinahawakan ng anak ko. Eh!
It's not your fault.
Ayan, mag-ride ka daw dyan. Dali, ride! Yun guys, may igloo. Pasok tayo sa igloo, dali. Ganito pala ang igloo.
Wow.
Tenny, huwag kas pumasok.
Location. It's important to understand that an ice core is made up of thousands and thousands of individual layers, each representing one year.
Ganun. 1, 2, 3, start. Yung ganun, okay. Happy ka? Thank you po. Nakakomplete siya ng stamps. 5. Okay, anak. Kaya ano mo na. Hulog mo na. Kasi may raffle daw. Good luck, Elliot.
Voice
Kay
is
Elliot.
power.
Dali. Happy naman.
Oo.
Yay, thank you po. Talaga pong sinulit namin hanggang alas 5 kami dito. Yun nga, wala nang tao, closing na. Tara na lumabas. Nag-enjoy ka, be? Sabihin mo sa ating mga subscribers, dali na ikaw ay nag-enjoy. Nag-enjoy po. Sabi naman.
Na nag-build na ito.
Nag-enjoy.
Enjoy ako.
Salamat po sa libreng ticket. Edmonton. Salamat po. Bye!
Hello guys, uuwi na kami. Hello guys. Tapos na kami magpunta. Hello guys. Grabe, ang ganda ng Stellus World of Science. Tapos na kami mag-explore doon. Pupunta na kami sa bahay. Bye-bye.
Salamat po.
Salamat po.
Ano anak ang best part doon ng mga nakita mo?
The rocket launching na
Ay, yung naglaro kayo ng classmate mo. May nakita siyang classmate.
si Gage, si Gage, and hindi ko siya ka-classmate.
Pa-school.
Sa school.
Oo. Masaya
Grade 3
din.
din siya.
Pinaka gusto ko yung turbine, yung nagawa ng Elising ganun. Ano?
Ako din. And nakita ko si Janet. And Nakita ko sa
Galing.
mga
Ang dami na daan. Nagbibideo kami din. Ano nga?
Oo.
Ay, salamat. Munti ka na nga kami masaraduhan ay pa umuwi ng mga bata. Grabe. Ganda, masaya. Salamat po kasi libre din. Ganda din. Yan, ganda ah. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Salamat po.